Alright, and we are back. Retro Myrtle Beach guy. And it's Grease Monkey time. That's right. We're out here at the top secret Corvair Lair. Finally getting around to installing this new engine. All right, so this is the second engine that was broken, that we pulled. We got the whole engine cabinet all cleaned out. Getting ready to load up the new engine.
Okay, gotta come up, we gotta pull the pins out.
Slowly.
Keep going. This is gonna come off.
Yeah, it's coming off.
Some more.
Stop right there.
Maybe can you get the top one in? Hey, Jordan, you look at
Yeah, but you're turning it the wrong way.
Who, me?
Yeah.
No, not. It's. I got it jacked up just a little bit.
You ready to go, Ruth? Put your leg one down and there it is.
It's out of his house. We're on the way back to Ben.
So yeah, our first attempt went south. The engine locked up about 5 minutes in. So take two, new engine, got all the boys here. I'm really, really excited. It's perfect convertible weather. I need to be driving this thing home today, man. So yes, what, 3 years ago now? 2 years ago? 2 years ago, we gave up our modern car, traded in for the 63 Corvair, drove it very consistently, daily driver for about a year, at which point we realized there were a lot of engine problems, transmission problems. So we've been waiting to do this big build. She finally just broke down maybe 6 months ago, wouldn't work at all after that point. But yeah, we're around in the old goal here.
Jerry went home. We had lunch.
We got nuts for carriage.
Oh yeah, whenever you.
Back into the den again. Looking for stuff. Good job. Look for stuff.
Oh, I want to do these. I don't have the bolts in it.
These are tight.
Okay,
You're right here. You're right here.
You got it?
How long? Too long?
It should be, but this one.
Turn it over. In there.
This was not a great sign. No compression in pretty much any of the cylinders.
Ready?
If you're running quiet.
All right, so now get the throttle.
I'm standing back.
Fire it hole.
Fire it hole. Hold on. You want to put a little gas down each carburetor?
Okay. Park here.
No spark.
No spark. No spark.
Get it out of here, it's free.
It is a little gassy in here.
What do we do? Spray some ether?
The rest of the windows out. What do we do? Spray some ether? Ready?
Yep.
Fire hole.
She's running. But will she move?